make is I'm going to make orange scones and sweet scones, right?
Okay.
Now, the sweet scones are the ones that you're normally used to, but orange scones are a little bit different. And I've made some, and you can taste them afterwards when we're finished. Now, in that, I have 1.5 pounds of self-raising flour. And I rubbed in 0.5 pound of hard margarine. And that's what's in that mixture, right? Along with 4 ounces of sugar. Very simple. I make so many of these, it goes in, goes out, in and out. All right, okay.
Put the carrot cake on there too.
And all those salads. I'm going to send her my.
Larry, if you just want everything, make sure you win it all.
Yeah, sorry, that's 2 eggs and milk in that.
Okay.
Yeah, 2 eggs and milk. Now, the secret to scones is don't make them too wet, right? Because if you make them too wet, they're sloppy and yuck, right? So, yeah. And they don't also, don't make them too big or handle them too much. As quick as you can, without. That's the case with all bread, unless you're doing a yeast bread anyway. You know, you don't handle them too much.
Gretta, is it better to use margarine, or could you also use butter?
You can use butter, no problem at all. I find myself butter makes them a little bit too rich. Now, do you see the way that's gathering in already? Yeah, right. Yeah. Okay. That means then it's ready.
Will you turn your bowl this way a little bit, or tilt up your bowl so we can...
We got it.
We got it.
Thank you.
Okay. No hassle.
Because we want to make sure we can make these when we get home.
Absolutely.
That's
I
it.
would go. I said to myself, great. Somebody's using them. That's so sweet. Now. Thank you. Okay. As you can see,
Done.
done. Now, gently kneaded, just to pull it together.
Gotta do that for
So even though you didn't use all the egg mixture, it's okay, as long as you have the consistency.
One thing, don't worry about.
Okay.
You go with the consistency of the dough.
Right.
I would say to everybody a dash of milk. I do 2 eggs and a dash of milk. And the reason I say that is, for some reason, one time the flour will absorb huge amount, and the next one it won't. I have no idea why, but I always go.
Happens to me.
Just on the consistency.
Or if it's a humidity.
Maybe, yeah.
Oh, the humidity.
Right? It's not. It's like.
Not wet, yeah. Cookie dough.
There you go. Play-doh. Okay, now, the other thing you have to remember with scones, obviously they rise and they spread a little bit. Now, you can use whatever size cutter you like. I like the small one, but you can use that one or that one. In the shops, when you see all the scones, they're probably using either that one or that one. I don't like them too small. I like them smallish. And,
That's it.
yeah, they're very like biscuits, I suppose. Yeah.
Oh, I can do that.
I'm not a baker.
Barry,
There you go.
I can do that.
I'm expecting photographs of everybody with their lovely scones all made. I'll have the whole of America.
Do you ever put raisins or
My family like raisins in it, and I often put them in with my family, but I find that my guests don't.
okay.
So therefore, as a result, I leave them plain.
But you could.
But you could put anything in it.
Yeah.
But you just put it in when you're putting in the flour and sugar before you add the liquid into it. You want to have a tray? Yeah, please.
And where do you get these
Where do you get them? Yeah. Just in the local supermarket, anywhere you'll get them.
Wait a minute.
Yeah, you'll get them.
Surlatab.
Could you not use a glass?
Absolutely.
I would use a glass.
Yeah.
Does it change the amount of?
Dollar store probably.
It's how she makes them thick. Looks cool.
So you don't roll them out too fast. That's really what I see a rolling pin. I want to roll.
She never used it.
Okay, now, with that then, what you do is you just egg wash them.
Is that the egg and milk again?
Egg and milk again, I just use it up.
Where's the orange? Is that in this place?
No, these are not orange. Oh, these are regular ones. These are regular scones.
No.
And now I always put, excuse me there, because what I use is I use plain flour and I use 3 heaped teaspoonfuls of baking powder in it and about an ounce of sugar.
And how much flour?
3 heaped teaspoons of baking powder.
And you don't put any baking powder in the other scones?
They're self-raising.
Oh, that's why. Okay.
And how much flour?
Regular flour.
Would you say?
It's a pound of flour.
Pound of flour.
Pound of flour to 4 heaped teaspoons of baking powder and about an ounce of sugar.
Okay.
In that. Okay. Again, we're back to our 2 eggs and our drop of milk. Okay. And again,
Wait a minute, 3?
2 eggs.
2 eggs.
Okay. And
She's going to mail this to us.
no, I know, but I'm still going to put it here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Again, the same thing. Be careful. Don't over knead them, and especially these ones because you're going to have to handle them a little bit more than the others.
And what she say, 410 for how long?
About 15 minutes.
15.
You have to keep checking them because you don't want them to get hard, brown on the bottom. Too brown on the bottom. So sometimes,
Good that way. That's what.
well, a little brown, yeah. I burnt my share.
No, I
so
like
that's why
mine, I like mine plain. Oh, you make them cranberry balls.
Did you like those,
Oh
the cranberry
my
ones?
gosh, yeah, I got that.
I make it, well, you had them, with the white chocolate, the
Yeah.
cranberry, and
Oh.
the coconut.
Did you try the scones in England now when you were over? Did you get
We had
scones?
some, yeah.
Yeah.
Right.
They were no good, we know Ireland. Yeah,
Well, I'll let you have a taste of the scones now before you go.
Candace had them. Yeah. Oh, yeah, they got to go to bed. Yeah.
They were good.
After that.
She can fly up for that. Next time.
I never know.
Okay, so we're back close to the mixture again.
Good try.
Now, okay, I'll throw that down there. Okay, so this time again, knead it gently.
Yes, yeah, she does it. No, she's just. That's what we, Francis and I were just saying. She doesn't roll it flat. She doesn't use the roll and pin at all. She made them. That's why they're so hot.
Yeah.
Don't make it too.
This one's right. Yeah, it's not. It's
Now,
not.
the
Yeah.
difference in this one is you roll it out.
This one you roll.
She does it every day.
Yeah, well, that's true. First time around. Yeah.
We have
Time you get it out.
So these are much thinner.
Yeah.
You gotta add a orange, I guess. Or something, probably roll it.
Are you rolling it to fit the size of that?
Well, roughly, I guess that's what I do it because I needed a certain a certain thickness.
It's like a quarter of an
Don't
inch.
those mats come in really handy?
Is that a silicone?
It's like,
Yeah.
Okay.
I get them from Pampered Shop.
Okay.
Yeah, they
Now,
Yes, it is.
okay, now, and in this, orange butter. So we have 3 ounces of butter and the zest of 2 oranges. Okay,
Let me get that shot.
and then basically you just
Oh, yeah.
Yes. No, that's what I thought.
Okay. Smell that?
And you don't use margarine.
no, this is butter. This is sorry, there's ice and sugar in this as well. So there's ice and sugar. You're making an icing. Ice and sugar.
Oh, that's good. Then you did perfection. There's soft butter and just mix it all together.
Oh, really? Okay. Perfection sugar. Good to know. Butter and I have it's called
Zester.
play and it's microbiome. It's the best thing. The other
That's what I use.
Yeah.
You do have to be so careful with those fingers, right?
Oh yeah. Or you'll be adding protein
We'll have
to
to
it.
show you what I'm doing.
Ain't that the truth?
Okay. So what we're doing now is roll it up like a biscuit.
Ah.
Yeah, like a cinnamon roll.
Now. Yep. Okay.
That's nice.
And then we got you.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, that smells delicious. They're huge.
Okay, the difference with these ones are
Okay.
before you kept them apart. These ones you keep them kind of together because when we want them all to kind of swell into one another while they're cooking.
Like a cinnamon bun. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, see, somehow I rolled them first and then cut them.
And put them close together.
Okay, and again, my wash.
And this makes it look like, oh, we can just go home and whip our
Right.
Now, I bet you do that. You go right over with
Then
that.
no reason why you
As soon as
can't.
she gets home.
Oh, yeah. Before she
We
unpacks.
did one batch. Mine would be a little. Trial and error. Yeah, we.
Whoops.
Had the timer, then we just.
Oh, it's coming out.
Yeah, where it shouldn't be coming out.
Oh, yeah. Now, all she needs is a little glaze, a little vanilla glaze.
Now, these go into a very, very hot oven, right? So they go into a 230 hot oven Celsius. So that must be about 500, I reckon, Fahrenheit. So it's very hot for about 5 minutes. Then it goes down again, go down to, I think it's 210 for another 5-6 minutes, and they're done.
Do you have to take it out while
No.
it gets to the temperature?
No, you just turn it down.
446.
There you go, 447, so 450. Okay. Now, like all good shows, I'm going to have some already made.